Hello, I'm Helen Colebrook from Journal with Purpose, and I'm really excited to be sharing this workshop with you. This workshop comes alongside a wonderful stationery bundle from Cult Pens, and that bundle is full of some of my absolute favourite supplies to use in my journal. I'm a two-time author, online teacher, blogger, and I share lots of videos and content all about my absolute love for journaling. I think it can bring so many wonderful benefits into your life, and all of the creative elements alongside the writing is just such a wonderful way to spend a few minutes of your day. So in this workshop, I'm going to be sharing with you lots of different ways to use the supplies in the stationery bundle. And we're going to be looking through different sorts of journaling styles and creating some pages together. So we're going to start off by having a quick look through some of my journals, and that's really to give you a feel for all of the different kinds of styles that are available. I keep quite a few different journals and I dip in and out of them depending on my mood and how creative I want to be or how much I've got that I want to write about. And we're then going to start by creating a cover page in our journal. One of the questions and emails I get so often is how to get past that fear of the first blank page in a new notebook. And I completely understand that. You get some gorgeous stationery and the last thing you want to do is make something that you're really unhappy with on that very first page. So we're going to dig out the supplies from within the stationery bundle, and I'm going to show you a really fun technique to add lots of colour to your page, and all of our pages will look different, but none of them will be wrong. So it's going to be so much fun putting together that cover page. Then we're going to move on to creating a vision board of our dream life. I do this every single year without fail. In fact, I usually update mine a few times throughout the year. So again, we're going to be just picturing and dreaming and using our journals to really expand our imaginations and our minds and start thinking about what we really want to get out of life, and then create a beautiful page in our journal that we can flip to anytime we want some extra motivation. And again, we'll be using some of the different supplies from within the bundle. After that, we're going to start looking at linking our Dream Life vision board into where do we want to be in 12 months from now. And I find that a really exciting exercise to do, starting to dream forwards to this time next year and what would a really great 12 months look like for you. And even if there's loads of things unsettled and out of our control, I always think that there's actually quite a few things that we can do. And this could be things to do with your home life, your career, personal aims that you've got, hobbies, skills, anything like that. So I'm going to talk you through how to put that page together and use some of the really gorgeous washi tape in this bundle. And then we're going to finish off by doing our next steps page. So this is where we're going to start looking at using our journal to note down our actions. And I think that's one of the things I like to pull myself away from things like New Year's resolutions, because within a few days I think we forget about a lot of them, but actually putting down some really positive steps that we can take for ourselves. So just looking at some tiny next things that we can do, and of course again using some of that really lovely stationery. And this workshop is based on some of my favourite journal pages and the things that I think have brought me the most benefit over the last few years. Nearly everything that I'm proud of and that I've been excited about has all come about starting from those pages in my journals. And I just hope that they bring you as much joy to put together and create, and also look back through. So let's get started on the workshop.